Okay, what we have here looks like a good solid specimen. Doesn't look like there's any soft spots. The bark's gone, that's always good. The bark holds dirt and the dirt dulls the blade. So no dirt, it's solid. I don't know what it is, some kind of hardwood. Picked it out of a pile I cut down also a few years ago, but we're gonna cut it up together. There's only 5% battery life left on this damn GoPro. So let's see if I can slice and dice at least one layer for you. So you got to secure the log, the first step. Secure the log, first step. All right. Well, I don't know, maybe this is white oak and the other was something else, or maybe this is maple, I have no idea. You'd think I'd know, but I don't know. Here's what I cut earlier, this is what I'm cutting now. It's still a hardwood. It actually looks like the bugs didn't like it compared to the other stuff. You know what they say, anything that white is right and desirable, so we're gonna keep this stuff and throw it on the cabin. Just cut me a 1x6 white oak board. There's a little soft spot at the end, I'll cut that off later, but I basically cut that into roughly 6 inches wide, a little bit over 6 tall. I'm just gonna slice it like bread, turn it into I'll just set the camera here and you can watch it. So I took one of these logs. This is an oak log, it looks like, and it's got a lot of rot. See, this stuff is soft on the sides, very soft. This is still hard. It's got some holes, got some bugs in it. So this I'm probably gonna mill into a square, use it as like a landscaping log, or you know, these 6x6 they can throw on the ground for a trailer or whatever. Those are always handy. But I don't know, maybe I can get some siding, some short piece of siding out of it for the barn, for the cabin. We'll see what the rest of this looks like. It could all be rotten, who knows. But I'll try to make a video of milling the wood. I've never done that. Hold on.